Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich here with your outlook for November 30th, 2015. For the last day of November, we will be starting off with mixed clouds and sun here in the morning, I think, and as some areas will go over to mostly cloudy, if not completely cloudy here by the end of the day. We're going to have a warm front that's going to be pushing through the area tonight, but out ahead of it, those clouds are going to increase. I don't think we get any precipitation, though, until tonight, especially they'll come in from probably south to north across our coverage area, maybe more southwest to northeast as that starts coming in through the overnight hours. So we're going to move this a little bit ahead here. You see this starting moving from the south. Again, this is a warm front, so it's all warm air advection. Any freezing concerns overnight here we're not worried about, just because unless you get up to New York State here outside of our coverage area, I don't think it gets down cold enough to really affect us with any freezing rain, which would be the form of precipitation would fall in, because we're talking about rain, warm air advection. This is warm air overriding cooler air at the surface. So if there would be any concerns, it would be very, very isolated in extreme northern areas here, and it would be very brief at that. So we're not expecting anything in the way of frozen precipitation, any freezing rain. But if you did see something isolated, just be on the lookout here for far, far northern areas here across northeastern PA. And northwest from New Jersey is a possibility also. But again, this is going to be very, very hit or miss, very isolated. We'll stay on top of it, though, just in case. But right now, we're not projecting anything in that manner with that warm air advecting. You can see, as we get to midnight here, the temperatures actually that we get up to during the day are not going to drop off much at all. So here's your 35-degree line here when this precipitation is moving in. 32 is actually further north up here across New York State. Here, the precipitation is still down here, moving up in this direction, but temperatures are not conducive for that freezing. So I do not expect it overnight. And then continuing this into early Tuesday here, showers start moving in here. Here comes the rain association with the warm front. And then this frontal boundary associated with the cold front here is going to take its time moving through, I think, and give us rain pretty much all day Tuesday. Generally light, nothing really too heavy, but persistent rain, drizzle, fog on Tuesday. And then Tuesday night are a certainty. And then it looks like at least the first half of Wednesday. But then the models, some of the global models here are showing rain lingering here most of the day here on Thursday with along that frontal boundary here. It should be noted that these short-range models are not as aggressive and gets this precipitation ending by midday. So it's only a first half of the day deal on Wednesday instead. So we're going to just keep it, just go conservative with this one and just say you can pretty much chalk up Tuesday and Wednesday as a loss as far as any outdoor activities, just because we were expecting the rain to be around for both days. Clouds and some rain. We do have improving conditions expected here for Wednesday night, however, as this system pulls away. And this will move off to the northeast, and again overnight we'll call it mostly cloudy conditions here on Wednesday night, and decreasing as the night wears on and that system moves away. Here's a total precipitation forecast. This is pretty consistent across most models here, and then this is a grand total from very late Monday night through the day on Wednesday. So this is over a period of a couple days here. So this does look like you see some amounts here getting to about an inch here, or between half inch and an inch of rain. That's pretty consistent across all the models. But again, this is over a several-day period, so we're not talking about heavy amounts at all, just persistent over that two-day or so period. After this point, we're expecting conditions to improve. High pressure is going to move in from the Ohio Valley. It's give us a couple days that are near to slightly above normal as far as temperatures are concerned for the rest of the forecast period. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and even Sunday for that matter. Sunday's outside of our normal 6-day window, but we can see high pressure just dominating the forecast here. We're talking about temperatures that are going to be slightly above normal during that time frame, and a mostly sunny weekend is expected with no precipitation concerns whatsoever. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martrich, and that is your outlook for November 30th, 2015. Have a great Monday.